see angle made by the minute hand in 1 minute. Angle made by the minute hand in 1 minute. See, if you consider this as the clock, the smaller one is the hour hand and the bigger one is the minute hand. For example, minute hand starts at 2. Minute hand starts at 2. By the time it completes one rotation, hour hand will move to 1. Our hand will move to 1. That means the one complete rotation of minute hand will makes 1 hour. One complete rotation of minute hand will make 1 complete rotation of minute hand will complete 1 hour. That means one complete rotation. One complete rotation means if I complete one rotation, it completes one circle which is 360 degrees. Angle in one complete rotation is 360 degrees. So, one complete rotation means how many minutes? One complete rotation means 1 hour. One complete rotation means 1 hour. So, 1 hour means 60 minutes. So, in 60 minutes, minute hand makes an angle of 360 degrees. In 60 minutes, minute hand makes an angle of 360 degrees. Then in 1 minute, how much angle will be made by the minute hand? In 1 minute, angle made by the minute hand. In 1 minute, angle made by the minute hand. See here, 60 minutes, 360 degrees. 1 minute, how much? So, if you see this in proportion 1 by 60, 1 by 60 is equals to x by 360. If I transpose this 360 other side, x is equals to 1 by 60 into 360. Therefore, 60 ones 66 degrees. Therefore, in 1 minute, if you observe here, in 60 minutes, 360 degrees by the minute hand. In 1 minute, how much angle will be made by the minute hand? That we are going to calculate, because this topic is involved in in some of the questions. So, if I write in proportion 1 by 60 is equals to x by 360. I will transpose 360 this side. Therefore, x is equals to 1 by 60 into 360. 60 ones 66. So, in 1 minute, angle made by the minute hand is 6 degrees. Then what will be the angle made by the minute hand in 5 minutes? Angle made by the minute hand in 5 minutes, I will write it here. Angle made by the minute hand in 5 minutes is 1 minute 6 degrees, 5 minutes 5 into 6, 30 degrees. Similarly, in 10 minutes, 10 into 6, 60 degrees. So, this is how we calculate the angle made by the minute hand in 1 minute or 5 minutes or in 10 minutes. So, using this concept, we are going to find some of the areas swept by some of the questions, like area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes, area swept by the minute hand in 10 minutes, area swept by the minute hand in 15 minutes, we are going to calculate. Now, so we are done with the entire topic. We are going to see some of the examples on this topic and we will conclude the session. Now see the first example. Find the area of shaded region in this figure. PQ he has given as 24, PR he has given as 7, and they are asking to find the area of shaded region. So area of shaded region means area of semicircle minus area of triangle, isn't it? No need to check this other part. This part is not at all involved. Area of semicircle minus area of triangle. So to find the area of semicircle, half pi r square is the formula. Radius is required, but we don't have radius. We don't have radius. So to find the radius, I need to use this triangle. If you observe, angle in the semicircle is 90 degrees. In 9th class, we have learned that angle in the semicircle is 90 degrees. So using these concepts, I will find out diameter first. Given that PR is equals to 7 centimeters, PQ is equals to 24 centimeters, angle QPR is equals to 90 degrees. Reason, angle in the semicircle is 90 degrees. For 90, this is hypotenuse, opposite side, so hypotenuse. Using Pythagoras theorem, I am going to find QR. In triangle PQR, according to Pythagoras theorem, QR square is equals to PQ square plus PR square. What is PQ here? 24. 24 square plus 7 square. 24 square 576 and 7 square 49. Therefore, QR square is equals to 625. If I transpose square other side, it will be root. Therefore, QR is equals to root 625. Root 625 means 25 centimeters. Square root of 625 is 25 centimeters, which is diameter. If you want to find radius, radius is nothing but half of the diameter, 25 by 2 centimeters. I got the radius now. Now, area of shaded region is area of shaded region is area of semicircle minus area of triangle. What is area of semicircle? Half pi r square. What is area of triangle? Half into base into height. If I consider PR as the base, PQ will be the height. Half into PR into PQ. Substitute the values. Half into pi, they have given us 22 by 7. Radius 25 by 2. Square is there. So 2 times I need to multiply. Minus half into PR is 7 and PQ is 24 of the. Now 2 11s, 11 into 25 by 2 into 25 by 2, 624 5 by 7 into 4 minus 2 1s 2 12s, 7 12s are 84. I will multiply these two and I will multiply these two and then I will divide. 625 into 11. So 1 into 625 and 625. It gives you 6875. 6875. 6875 by 7 4s are 28 minus 84. I need to do this division part. See here, I will do the division here. With 28, if I divide 6875, 28 2s are 56, so 12, remaining is 7, 28 4s are 112, 15, 5s, 28 5s are 140, 15, 20, 0, 28 5s are again 140, 100, 28 3s are 84. Therefore, it is nothing but 245.53 minus 84. If I subtract it, I'll get 161.53 centimeter square. This is how we get the area of the shaded region. Now see the second question. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeters sweeping through an angle 115 degrees. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. For example, if you consider this as the front glass of the car, it has two wipers. It has two wipers which do not overlap. They will never overlap. It is sweeping like this at an angle 115 degrees. Here also it is sweeping an angle 115 degrees. So the blade length he has given as 25 centimeters. How much area is swept by the blades at each sweep? See, as it is sweeping like this, it forms a sector. It forms a sector, and the blade length will become a radius because it is same over all over the same 25, 25, 25, 25. Here also same. The blade length is moved like this. Blade is moved like this, 25 centimeters. Now here, length of the blade is nothing but radius of sector, which is 25 centimeters. Now central angle he has given as theta is equals to 115 degrees and pi he has given as 22/7. Which shape it is? Sector. It is of shape sector. Therefore, area swept by the blades in one sweep is, how many blades are there? 2 blades are there. That means 2 areas are there. 2 into area of each blade swept. So that is in the shape of sector. So 2 into area of sector. So 2 into, what is the area of sector formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta by 360 into pi r square. 2 into, here theta is 115 by 360 into pi is 22/7 and radius is 25 centimeters. So 25 into 25. If you observe, I can cancel these two with 5. 5 23s, 5 72s. 2 1s, 2 36. 2 18s, 2 11s. So what is left in the numerator? 1 into 23, 23, 23 into 11 into 25 into 25, 625 by 18. This I have to multiply, then I need to divide with 18. See this, 625 into 11, 6875 into 23 I need to do it. With 3 I need to multiply first, 225, 26, 2, 20625. With 2 I need to do it, 150, 137. So 521851, which is nothing but 158125 by 18 centimeter square. We can leave like this or we can divide it. Let's do the division part. So with 18 I am going to divide this. 18 8s are 144. The remaining is 14. Borrow 1. 18 7s are 126. 15. Borrow 2. 18 8s are 144. 8. Borrow 5. 18 4s are 72. 13 remainder. If I keep decimal, it will become 0. I can keep 0 here. 18 7s 126. Therefore, 8784.7 centimeter square is the area swept by the each blade in one sweep. Hope you understand this concept, because just we have drawn the figure. By observing the figure, we came to know that it is nothing but sector, and we have used area of sector formula, and we found the solution. Let's see one more example on this. See the third question. With the vertices A, B and C, the centers are drawn with radii 5 centimeters each. See, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. As shown in the figure, BC is 48, AC is 50 and AB is 14. Now find the area of the shaded region. Where is the shaded part here? This is the shaded part. That means from the entire triangle, these three areas are to be removed. As these two are of same, that means these two are radii, therefore it is a sector. These two are radii with angle A as center, this is a sector, and with C as the center, these two are radii, this is also sector. So these three sector areas I need to remove from the area of the triangle. First, I need to find the area of the triangle. So if you observe, 50, 48, 14 are Pythagorean triplets. So I can consider this angle as 90. This is one way of doing. Or otherwise, sometimes we don't know whether the given sides are, what if the given sides are not Pythagorean triplets? Then how to do it? So let's do using Heron's formula. Keeping that any kind of sides are given, we can find the area of the triangle. See, he has given us AB is equals to small c I am considering, which is 14 centimeters. AC is equals to small b, which is 50 centimeters. BC is equals to small a, which is 48 centimeters. So first I need to find the semi perimeter. S is denoted as, semi perimeter is denoted as S, which is a plus b plus c by 2. So a 48, b 50, c 14 by 2. 50 plus 14 64, 64 plus 48 112, 112 by 2 56 centimeters. Then I will find S minus a, 56 minus 48 8 centimeters. I will find S minus b, 56 minus 50 6 centimeters. Then I will find S minus c, 56 minus c 14, which is 42 centimeters. Area of triangle is equals to delta is equals to under root S into S minus a into S minus b into S minus c. S into S minus a into S minus b into S minus c under root. Therefore, under root, what is S? S is nothing but 56. What is S minus a? 8. What is S minus b? 6. What is S minus c? 42. Writing it as a prime factors, 56 can be written as 7 into 8. 8 I will leave as it is. 6 I will write as 6 only. 42 I will write as 7 into 6. See, 7 is present in pairs, therefore 1 7 will come out. 8 is present in pairs, 1 8 will come out. 6 is present in pairs, 1 6 will come out. 6 8s are 48, 48 into 7 336. Therefore 336 centimeter square. Area of triangle is 336 centimeter square. Now we need to find the area of the shaded region. Area of shaded region is area of triangle minus area of 3 sectors. Area of 3 sectors. What is the area of triangle? 336 minus, what is the area of first sector? What is the area of sector formula? Area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. That means A by, here angle is A, A by 360 into what is radius here 5 square plus B by 360 into pi r square, pi into 5 square plus C by 360 into pi r square. Keeping this in mind, writing all these at one place, 336 minus, see this is common or not? I will write pi into 25 into A by 360 plus B by 360 plus C by 360. That means A plus B plus C by 360. A plus B plus C by 360. We all know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 no? Angle sum property. This is 180. 180 by 360. I will write this part here. See. నాకు కనిపిస్తుందా? ఓకే 336 minus pi he has given as 3.14 into 25 square, sorry 25 only, into 1 by 2. 2 ones to 1.57s. Therefore 336 minus 1.57 into 25. I will do this multiplication here. 25 sevens are 175, 17. 25 fives are 125 plus 17, 140 to 14. 25 ones are 25 plus 14, 39. That means 39.25. 336 minus 39.25 means 296.75 centimeter square. This is the area of the shaded part of this given figure. Find the area of the segment AYB shown in the figure. Given radius of the circle is 21 centimeters and angle AOB is 120 degrees. This shaded part, this segment area they are asking to find. How to find the area of the segment? Already we know the formula that area of the sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector minus area of triangle. So what he has given, that we write first. So OA is equals to OB is equals to R, which is radius 21 centimeters, theta which is nothing but central angle 120 degrees, and pi is given as 22 by 7 and root 3 is given as 1.732. Using all this, we are going to find the area of segment. Area of segment. This is minor segment only. Whenever they say segment, that is minor segment. Area of segment is equals to area of sector minus area of triangle. So area of sector formula, theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle. Already I have given you the formulas that area of triangle here is r square into sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. R square into sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Substitute the values. What is theta he has given? 120 degrees, which we have written here. 120 by 360 into pi is given as 22 by 7. Radius is given as 21. So 21 square minus here also 21 square into sin theta by 2. Theta is 120. 120 by 2 into cos 120 degrees by 2. So 121s, 123s. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 21 square means 21 into 21 minus 21 square 441. Sin 120 by 2 means sin 60 degrees root 3 by 2. 2 ones, 2 60s. What is cos 60 degrees? 1 by 2. 3, 7, 21 gets cancelled because 3 into 7, 21. 21, 21 gets cancelled. Here we have 22 into 21 minus 441 into root 3 into 1, root 3. What is the root 3 value? 1.732 by 4. 4 ones, 4, 0.433s. If you want to check, check it here. 1.732 divided by 4. 4 zeros 0 1 borrow 7, 4 fours 16 1 borrow 3, 4 threes 12 1 borrow 2, 4 threes. So 4 ones 4 0.433s. Now here we have 22 into 21 461, 22 into 21 461. That if you want we will do it here. See here I will do this division part, multiplication part and all. 22 into 21. So 1 into 22 22, 2 into 22 44, which gives you 462. 462. Now minus 441 into 0.433. I will forget the decimal places first. I will multiply, then I will keep the decimal places. 3 into 441, 3, 12, 3, 1. Again 3, 2, 3, 1 with 4, 4, 6, 7, 1, 3, 5, 6 plus 3, 9, 10, 19. So 3 decimal places. Here we have 3 decimal places, right? So I kept 3 decimal places. 190.953. 460 minus 190, 272. 272 minus 0.93, 271.047 centimeter square. Therefore, area of segment A by B is 271.047 centimeter. See this? AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radii 21 centimeters and 7 centimeters with center O, and angle AOB at O 30 degrees. Find the area of the shaded region. If you observe, it is the sector, isn't it? Both are 7 radii at the and angle 30 degrees. This is one of the sector, and this also both the sides radii 21 21 with central angle 30 degrees. So this is also sector. From the bigger sector, if I subtract the smaller sector, I will get the shaded region area. Now write the given things. OC is equals to OD is equals to 7 centimeters. OA is equals to OB is equals to 21 centimeters. Angle AOB or angle COD is nothing but 30 degrees. Therefore, area of shaded region, area of shaded region is area of sector AOB minus area of sector COD. What is the area of sector formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta by 360 into pi r square minus theta by 360 into pi small r square. This is small r and this is capital R and this is theta. See, in both theta by 360 pi is common. No? Shall I take it outside? Theta by 360 into pi into capital R square minus small r square. What is theta value? 30 degrees. 30 by 360 into pi means 22 by 7 into r square 21 square minus small r square 7 square, which is, see, 30 ones, 30 12s, 2 6s, 2 11s. So 1 by 6 into 11 by 7 into, it is something like a square minus b square, right? What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. 21 plus 7 into 21 minus 7. 21 plus 7 is 28. 21 minus 7 is 14. 7 ones, 7 twos. 2 ones, 2 threes. 11 into 28, 308 by 3. 28 into 11. 11 8s are 88. 8 here. 11 2s are 22 plus 2, 8, 30. So 308 centimeter square. If you want to write in mixed fractions, 102s are 306. 102 and 2 by 3 centimeter square. If you want to write in decimals, 102.2 by 3 means 666 and so on. So I can round it to 6 7. Therefore, 102.67 centimeter square.